So I'm at Sema 2021 here. You can see in the background, we're going into the Hoonigan area over here. We're gonna go check some stuff out. But so this episode is gonna be nothing about building a car, but checking out lots of cool cars at Sema 2021. So thanks a lot, and definitely hit subscribe. Okay, so since this is the Cobra Daytona build, I figured I would, I don't know what brand this is.
This season, and then you throw it away, and then you get the next one the next year. And actually, they've proven on many times that compliance.
So this is the chain smoker truck. I think somebody had some chains sitting around the ranch and they decided to go hog wild with this.
Look at that steering wheel.
Okay, so this is one convention hall here, and all it is stereo stuff. So I'll just kind of pan around. This isn't my scene. I've always owned cars, you know, like my Cobra, now the Daytona. Too damn loud to even install a stereo. So as you can see, it is just speakers, electronics, digital doodads, and it's everywhere. The whole hall stretches all the way to that side, all the way back. There is a chip boost thing back that way, but other than that, it's all electronic stuff. So we're gonna get out of here. We're kind of burned out of this area. Okay, so we're upstairs now in the South Hall, which is all automotive paint, body, you know, repair, collision. There's just stuff everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty busy up here actually. They even sell paint booths, as you can see over here. Get one of those for my garage or my driveway. Wouldn't that be nice? So yeah, kind of crazy up here. Well, Sema is a Bronco extravaganza today, but this is one of the original ones. Okay, so we're at the Super Performance booth. GT40s, badass.
Where was the year we didn't come to see the auto transmission, and so then you get to imagine getting.
So this Cobra here has been clocked at over 200 miles an hour. I think it holds the world's record for the fastest Cobra. I don't know what else modifications they've done to it, but it's a beast. Can't imagine doing 200 miles an hour on one of these things. Another one of Chip Foose's Camaros. Nothing over the top, but just a nice, clean, you know. This is a Chip Foose built Jaguar. Beautiful car.
Pero excelente.
There's Chip Foose himself right there. We've got a mid-late 70s F-150 trophy truck here. Highly modified, highly capable, I'm guessing. This thing is pretty cool. So here's the Kindig Mustang Fastback. This thing is amazing. I mean, just incredible. Truly beautiful, beautiful, stunning car. I think it was on one of his shows when they built this, but it's a freaking phenomenon. Yeah, this thing is definitely truly incredible. Not over the top done, but still very nice. So this is GM's new SS Z632/1000 1000 horsepower crate motor. This is it in the flesh. These are not my thing, you know, these monster trucks with these, you know, rubber band tires. But man, the attention to detail that these guys put into these things. I mean, look at the wheels. So they've got white painted in there. I don't know if you can see that. And then they've taped all that off and then painted blue with all the little lug nut things white. I mean, the attention to detail on these trucks, I bet you probably some of the best I've ever seen. So pretty dang incredible. We have an AMC, I think it's an AMX AMC, but I'm not sure, but it's full on race car. So here's a Cobra with 900 rear wheel horsepower. Thing's a beast. This is a 25th anniversary build. I can't get a better angle. There's too many people around. Yeah, this thing is wicked. So did you build this yourself? I had to put this video up. When is the last time anybody has seen a Bronco 2? Now this is not your ordinary Bronco 2, don't get me wrong, but this thing is pretty wicked. I haven't seen a Bronco 2 on the road in at least a decade, maybe 2. So the Broncos are everywhere here at Sema. This one's actually one of the old school ones. Very nicely done. Okay, for all you Mustang fans, we got ourselves, looks like a Gen 2, maybe Coyote in here. The Boss 302 intake. I guess it's a full-on track car. Yeah, it's more my speed. Supposedly this is Chip Foose's personal truck that he drives. It's pretty sweet.
I don't like the wrap dash though.
I don't either.
Or the wrap arm. I like the
Sema in a Tesla, in the Tesla Loop, Vegas Loop, I guess. It's part of the Elon Musk boring experience. I don't know how he's never going to make money on the thing. Got to be a lot of money to dig these holes, but quite interesting. But thanks again for watching Sema 2021 and the Cobra Daytona build. I know there was no building going on, but I promise on the next episode we'll be back to building, as I've been in the middle of a few projects. So thanks again, and please hit subscribe.